Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Vechain price prediction and Vechain news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Vechain in 2022. Vechain Vet is a blockchain platform for logistics management. Work on a project began in 2015 and it saw the light in June 2016. Vechain aims to use distributed control technologies and the Internet of Things to create an ecosystem that solves the main problems in supply chain management. The platform uses two internal tokens, VET and VTHO, to manage and create value based on the Vechain public blockchain. The idea is to improve the efficiency, traceability and transparency of supply chains, while reducing costs and putting more control in the hands of individual users. Vechain was created by Sunny Liu, formerly the Chief Information Officer, CIO, of Louis Vuitton China. The second co-founder is Jay Zhang. He leads the global corporate structure, corporate governance and finance of Vechain. Zhang previously worked at Deloitte and PricewaterhouseCoopers in finance and risk management. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Vechain. Ukraine has received $37 million in tracked crypto donations so far. Based on data gathered by Cointelegraph, the amount of tracked crypto donations sent to the Ukrainian government, military and charities, has surpassed $37 million at the time of publication. These include Bitcoin, BTC, Ether, ETH, Tether, USDT, and other altcoins. The numbers are also based on tracked projects, and do not account for items such as donation efforts between individuals. The biggest recipient of crypto donations appears to be the Reserve Fund of Ukraine, backed by the country's native cryptocurrency exchange, Kuna. According to his official Telegram channel, the exchange has raised approximately $13 million in crypto for Ukraine, mainly through BTC, ETH and USDT. Next up, Come Back Alive, a non-government organization that says it's helping the Ukrainian armed forces reach other to be vigilant. Always check the authenticity of the donation links and watch out for scams. In one example, an alleged con artist has been commenting on all posts pretending to post the official crypto address for helping the Ukrainian government. Second news today: in the first week of the Russia-Ukraine war, the Ukrainian government has reached out to the crypto community on Twitter to raise funds to support its civilians and troops. Ukraine has now started accepting donations in Bitcoin, BTC, Ether, ETH, and Tether, USDT, will pay. We have a partnership with Afterpay in Australia, which is a platform that appeals to Gen Z, and that is a buy now pay later platform on the marketplace. The company continues to evaluate payment methods to become, as emphasized by its CEO, more appealing to the so-called Gen Z consumers. For the report, eBay is implementing different strategies to attract younger generations, by particularly focusing on shoes and other categories. Lianin added, "We're not accepting crypto currently, but on March 10th, we're going to go deeper on all of these things: payments, advertising, our focus categories. Integrating with eBay could represent a significant expansion in terms of adoption for cryptocurrencies." The platform has an estimate of 187 million users worldwide, a metric that has seen steady growth since 2010. Will March 10th be the date for a Bitcoin eBay integration? Lianin addressed the boom of digital assets on eBay. In 2021, the company changed its policy allowing users to trade their non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Before this change was introduced, users were trading their digital assets on the platform. The CEO said. So even without announcing anything or doing anything, people started trading NFT on a platform. It reminded me of many years ago when people just started selling cars when we didn't even have a vehicle business at that point. So we're seeing the same type of thing with NFT. The executive is aiming at making eBay a hub for digital assets trading, a place where people can trade goods, whether they be physical or digital. However, eBay has been hinting and talking about the possibility of accepting Bitcoin and crypto payments for years. Remains to be seen if March 10 will finally be the month when the rumor becomes reality. The NFT sector has been heavily affected by a recent phishing scam. Both the short and long-term forecasts for Cardano are not too positive. At the current price, the digital asset is trading well below its 50 and 100-day moving averages. Both of these determine if investors are willing to purchase a digital asset at a lower or higher price, and right now, investors coming into the cryptocurrency seem to want to purchase ADA at low prices. This has put significant selling pressure on the digital asset that continues to shine through today. All short, medium, and long-term indicators have all skewed completely into the selling territory, leaving no room for reprieve. $0. 85 remains an important resistance point for the cryptocurrency at this point, as the ability to not only beat this, but stay above it would see it rally towards testing the $0.9 resistance level. Nevertheless, Cardano is still a long way from going back. Amid military threats throughout the country, Ukraine has sought help from numerous international organizations. However, considering that time is of the essence, the official Twitter account of Ukraine extended its call for help to crypto Twitter. Additionally, Mikhail Fedorov, Vice Prime Minister of Ukraine, also shared 3 wallet addresses, urging the crypto community to donate and help Ukraine fight against Russian troops. While the BTC and ETH addresses remain the same, the USDT wallet address is TRC20 based, and is different than the address shared by Ukraine's official Twitter handle. Vechain price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030 is what we have for you today. When we look closely at the cryptocurrency market, we feel that it is doing quite well, rather, it is doing very well. Vechain price prediction 2022 Vet has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Vechain, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of $0.073. That is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of $0.065, a minimum price of $0.063, and a maximum price of $0.073. Vechain price prediction 2023. In 2023, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Vechain will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach 11 cents in 2023. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $0.097, with a maximum price of 11 cents for 2023. Vechain price prediction 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Vechain could cross $0.16 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 14 cents. Vet price prediction 2025. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are confident that the long-term price forecast for Vet will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2025 could end with an average bid of 21 cents and a minimum bid of 20 cents. The maximum bet is expected to be around 24 cents. Vet price forecast 2026. For a long-term forecast of the Vechain price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average Vet price will rise to around $0.30 by 2026, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2026, the year may end with a maximum price of 35 cents with a minimum price 29 cents level. Vet price prediction 2027. Vet will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Vechain price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2027, the Vechain rate will be almost 40 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 50 cents. Vechain end 2027 average price prediction could be around 42 cents. A huge price